Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. For this video, we do have a package, but it's not Heroclix. It is Mage Knight. Let's go! Okay, so we have here, as you can see, a colossal figure, okay, from Mage Knight. Okay, so if you don't know, Mage Knight is also a tabletop game. I think a predecessor of our beloved Heroclix. Okay, so I used to play Mage Knight myself, and my team is the Atlanteans. Okay, Atlanteans have this symbol. Okay, so this is, by the way, the Fist of Tesla figure. So when I was playing Mage Knight, I don't have this figure then. Okay, but I was able to get this care of Sir Chris. Okay, so we had a deal. When I was in Singapore this year, I got some Mage Knight figures on his behalf, and he gave this to me as payment to the service. Okay, I should say. So thank you very much, Sir Chris, for the figure. I've always wanted to have this when I used to play Mage Knight, but I finally have it. So I'm thinking of actually remaking my Mage Knight collection, okay, my Atlanteans collection, and doing a display of them. So you can see there is a bit of an articulation in the head of this Fist of Tesla. Okay, so I also have a box here, also from Sir Chris. So I traded with him Old King Thor for the figures here in this mini kilo box. Okay, so um, Sir Chris is also intrigued with Heroclix. So it's a good deal because he's starting off in Heroclix and I'm starting off in trying to get some more Atlanteans for my collection. Okay. Oh, by the way, there's some few Heroclix here. That's me. You can search me in Facebook. So, huh? Okay, so there's a bit of a HeroClix in this unboxing. We have here the generic Sentinel. I think I purchased it from him. Okay, two actually generic Sentinel from X-Men Dark Phoenix Saga and their corresponding cards. So thank you very much, Sir Chris. And the rest are the Mage Knight figures. Okay, so let's take a quick look. We have here the Mage Stone Golem. Okay. I think Heinz gave me something like this before. Okay, so I have two of them, Mage Stone Golem. Okay, so I'm trying to make a display piece. Probably robots of the old, the Mage Knight Atlanteans, and robots of the new, which is the Sentinels. Okay, just to reflect my HeroClix and my what you call this, my Mage Knight collection. Okay, so we have also the Mortar Altems. Okay, so we have one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so six Mortar Altems. Okay, and then we have Charis. Okay, so I learned from Sir Chris that this is the new movement symbol for a movement, the symbol for Atlanteans. Okay, so this is, I guess, a hero, range 10 to targets. Then we have also General Russo. Okay, quality of the figure, of course, it's similar to Heroclix, but Golden Age style figures. um, I hope Mage Knight do have a comeback in one shape or the other, but comeback like HeroClix. I've always wondered whether we can use Mage Knight figures but in a HeroClix map. Okay, because for if you're playing HeroClix, usually you don't have what you call this. You don't have grid. You just use measuring tape. Okay, but sometimes there's a lot of uncertainties are surrounding that, and that would be resolved with like a HeroClix map. So it might be good to play Mage Knight figures in a HeroClix map. That might make sense. Okay, I don't know if you understand what I mean, but that's just my initial thought. So we also have here a bunch of infantry golems. Okay, so that's the current collection, current status of our Atlanteans. We do have our old Atlanteans figures like the Blade Golem here, and of course our favorite, not this one, but we have this Athene, I think traded, also given by Sir Chris, and our favorite figure still in protected plastic with my nickname, Blah. We have Magus. Okay, so here's my favorite guy. He's gonna be central in my display piece of Atlanteans. Okay, so what do you guys think? Are you a Mage Knight player before? Share your thoughts on the comments, and if you want to have a comeback of Mage Knight tabletop, like and subscribe. Bye bye.